Hello, today I'd like to show you how to make these gorgeous flower button surrounds. So grab yourself a hook and some yarn in your favourite colour and let's get started. I've just got one more to make for this denim jacket. So the way I'm making these is to make 7 chain. And this is just normal double knitting. I thought it would, like the turquoisey green would contrast nicely with the denim. So if you just make 7 chain and join to that first chain to make a circle. Okay, and then into this, I'm going to work into this circle, and we're going to, on one of them I've made 6 petals, and on the others I've made 5. 5 is kind of enough, but if you want it to look a bit fuller you can do 6. So we go 3 chain up, and then we do a treble. I'm working in UK terms, so I believe that's a double crochet in American terms. That's all you need. These are the only stitches you'll need. So let's go back down with 3 chain, and that is your first petal made. So you join with a slip stitch, and that's your first petal made. Keep squidging it round and work round the tail yarn. It's just one thing less at the end to sew in. So up 3 chain, and then your treble into the circle, and 3 chain down, I don't know whether to make them for the pockets or not. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you want more cutesy videos like this, I really would appreciate a little subscribe. It really is helping grow my channel, which helps me bring you more videos. I've got so many little projects to show you. So that's 3. So just 2 more, and that I'll match the rest of mine. And then if you want, like I say, if you want to make 6, and keep squidging it round a circle, and then towards, well, I'll show you how to pull that in at the end, and then how to pop it onto your button, which is dead easy. So this is my last one. So you petal, dead easy, 3 chain, 1 treble, 3 chain, and then join with a slip stitch. So just to finish this off, I'm going to slip stitch into that first stitch there, just to pull those 2 petals together, and catch hold, and then cut that off. And this tail end that we started with, just pull that a tiny bit, and then we can snip that off because that's well and truly crocheted in. And then this one, we're just gonna darn that in to the back of the petal. Like so, and then we can snip that off, and then we can pop that on to the jacket. So it just takes a bit of stretch. Double knitting is great for this. If you've done it in cotton, it might be a bit, look at that, I love it. Wow, let me just zoom out and show you the rest of it now. It's really, really cute. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I'm really pleased with that. See you on the next one.